Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide showing password when you type in your phone. That is, when you are typing a password in your phone, like for Gmail password or any other thing, briefly characters will be showing and then it will be changing to star. See here, I go to settings and I go to passwords and accounts, and I would like to add one more account here, and I select Google, and if I give username here, Mickey username here, and then it will ask password. So for password, if I type, each character will be showing and then only it be changing to dot or star. Here it is changes to dot. So if you want to not to show this this character, that is if you want to only directly go to the dot, then you can do it. Okay, for that first go to the settings in your phone and click on privacy, and here one option is available, show passwords. Just you have to turn off this password, turn off this button. Already it is turned on. Display characters briefly as you type. When you are typing, it will be displaying first letter displaying, then only it will be changing to dot. But if you turn off it, it will be directly changing to dot. See here. Now again go to the settings and click on passwords and accounts and try to add one account. Click on add account here, and I would like to add one account here. Again I try with Mickey, and now I type in password. Typing letter will not be showing directly, it will be showing the dot. So in this way you can easily change passwords character not to show while typing in your phone, Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.